Hey guys, it is Dr. Sterling. We are here at Ola Beach Tennis. It's a new sport coming to Miami. I'm doing a pop-up here. I'm adjusting people, taking care of the players. It's a really good time.
Really a miracle. Thank you very much.
Some dance moves? Okay, good.
This is the guy, okay?
Yeah, it's simple. Flow state, community, better for you brands, all in a beautiful tropical setting. Got ice baths, DJs. We're here in the Venetian Islands. Tons of people coming out to see the sport for the first time.
I adjusted so many people that were here, a lot of the players. The event was impeccable. I'll catch you at the next one.